This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Eric Adams PLLC. Beautifully maintained home built in 2021. Luxury plank vinyl flooring throughout all living and common areas, tile in bathrooms, and carpet in the bedrooms. Open floor plan with dining area and eat-in kitchen, all done in neutral, pleasing colors. Inside laundry with West and D hookups. Walk-in closet plus regular size closet in master bedroom. Stainless steel appliance package in the kitchen. Shaker style espresso cabinets and light luxury laminate countertops in the kitchen. Large almost half-acre lot with lush front and back yards. This home will not last long. Call your realtor and schedule a showing today. For more information, review the details below.